Okay, then let's have a look at this. There's lots of ways to do it. I'm going to move this whole object up, the 2x. I could just move one of them up, but I'm going to move the 2x up because I prefer to do that. It's easier on the eye for me. But at the same time, I'm going to move this from being on the top to divide on the other side, because basically this is times 1. It's always, everything's times 1. So the 2x can go up to be up the top from divide to times on this side, and at the same time this minus 0.14 can come down from times to divide on the other side. Okay, now I can move the 2 back down. So can you see that I could have just moved the x up? So I'm going to move the 2 back down. Because there's a minus 0.14, I'll put a little bracket around that so there's no confusion. So I've actually now just moved the x up rather, and moved the minus 0.14 down. So we need to type that in a calculator. So let's have a go at that. So it's 0.47 on top. Now divided by, now it's the whole of the bottom, so I'm going to put a bracket around the whole thing, and it's going to be 2 times the bracket of negative 0.14. Close that bracket for the negative, and close the bracket for the underneath. Equals minus 47 over 28. Let's get the decimals, because it's all in decimals here. Minus 1.68 to 2dp. Minus 1.68. And that was to 2 decimal places. And we could get the fraction, couldn't we? So if I go back to change it to thirds, minus 47 over 28. If you wanted to write it in fractional form. And that was to 2 decimal places, wasn't it?